Hello. Today we introduce this laser burnish machine. This machine with two-side work and can three or four can work. This side for the wood milling grinder wheel, and this is the center belt, and can fix the soft axis, and this can fix the laser pad. Like this one, you can prepare by your side and not including the packages. And this work. And for here. And finish like this and fix it here. And now I now have the products for test grind work. If you usually for the polish the metal cutters. The power switch, power 220, and this switch, red light for the work, and this for the adjust speed. And the speed and the speed slowly. Okay, I prepare the laser edge, the main work for the grinding, polish the edges. And this is before work. Okay, the camera. Okay, I show the work. And this is for the oil side, put some oils. Okay, this one is also before work, and this is the belt. I'm also to put some oil in. Okay, I first test this one. Speed faster. This move, and when you work, you can fix these tables. One hand fix one, not move. The camera close to you can see. Okay, and try work again. And this is belt. I put the oil before. Now you can the effect. And this one. And this is before I work. Okay, and this side can grind this, and this is the soft edges. Now I choose the simple change. It's also very easy. You can just put the laser printer grind in this side. Can do the grinding work. And also can put this can take out and put this. Then to put this one, you can fix like this. Max can fix 4 millimeters. Okay. Now you can grind the product you want. Okay, the simple function like this. Thank you.